Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to set up UET tag. Firstly, if you don't have one yet, create a Microsoft Advertising account. Go to your Microsoft Advertising overview page, click Tools, then UET tag. Click Create UET tag, then enter tag name or description for clarity, then click Save. Now select Install the tag yourself, then click Next. Click Copy Tag to copy the tracking code. Now open your email and compose a new message to support@realgeeks.com. Paste the copied Bing UET tag into the email. Use the subject line, Install Bing Tracking Tag. The Real Geeks support team will install the tag on your website for you and confirm once it's done. After installation, you can track website actions like form fills, page views, purchases using Microsoft Advertising. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.